Welcome back to Strategically Styled. My name is Lisa. I'm a woman over 50, and this channel is dedicated to helping you achieve your style goals. And to that end, today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 ways to tie a tie that are classic as well as creative. But first, I will ask if at any point, at any time you find yourself liking this video, I appreciate it if you click the thumbs up and like the video. Consider clicking the subscribe button and joining this community, and click the notification bell so you will be notified if new content is uploaded. Or I should say, when new content is uploaded. It's coming. It's coming. But let's get into these ties. So last weekend I went down to the place where I purchased 18 men's neckties for 25 cents each. So I spent a whopping total of $4.50. And let me tell you something. Even a cheap tie, buying it brand new, you're going to spend more than $4.50. But to get 18, all of them are silk with 4 exceptions. And there were some designer names in the mix. So yeah, that's my tie haul. To be clear, I don't have any intention of keeping 18 neckties at this time. So I'm going to sort through, and when I figure out which ones are my favorites, the others I will unthrift, i.e. redonate to the place so someone else can purchase them for 25 cents each. Now, let me say something about neckties. The first order of business here is neckties can be surfaces that just collect a lot of germs and bacteria. There's such close proximity to your face or other people coming up on you, coughing on your tie, breathing on you. And so you want to make sure that you are cleaning your ties on the regular, and certainly if you are thrifting them, you literally do not know where they have been. So you are going to want to clean them as well. Most neckties, especially if they're silk, the care directions are going to tell you to dry clean only. I choose to disregard that, and I will either hand wash it, or in this case, since I had 18, put them in a laundry bag, like a lingerie bag, those mesh bags, wash them in my washing machine on the hand wash setting with cold water. I allow them to air dry and then steam or press on the silk setting using the iron as necessary. So let's get into these neckties. So shout out to Lisa Birmingham for sharing this short on YouTube of how to tie a classic necktie. So I'm going to show you, the first thing you want to do is measure the length of the tie so you know where to start tying. So you're going to lay it across your forearm with the wide point at your elbow, and then wherever it comes to an end at the tip of your middle finger, you're going to just hold it up. And then you're going to take the thin part of the tie and wrap it around 3 times to make 3 loops, okay? And then you're going to gently reach your fingers under the top loop, take the middle loop and pull it up through the top loop, and just let it fall into place. Et voila! Now you can just put it over your head and adjust it as necessary. And I should have pulled my tie up a little higher so that it would be actually at the neck, and I did not do that because I was kind of rushing. But here, and then of course you can leave it tight like this, so when you take it off you can do the same thing, and you just slip and slide it to get, and look how nice the knot is. Yeah, thank you, Lisa. And the other thing, if you don't already know this, typically there's a tag on the back, and you can take the thin part, the tail, and stick it under there, and that way it'll stay in place and it's not like sticking out, and it'll stay nice and neat. You can also get something called a tie pin, which will pin it in place as well, depending on how serious you are about your tie placement. Next, I'm going to show you my favorite variation, and I think neckties, it can lean a little more masculine. But if I'm wearing a necktie that has a print or a pattern, what I like is this bow, and that's what I am wearing now. I will show you my OOTD necktie. It's this beautiful navy blue paisley. this thrifted shirt and these thrifted pants and those Cliff loafers that I showed you last week. And take one off and show you these guys here. So let's make a bow. So what you're going to do, and I'm using this beautiful silk paisley tie. I just love this pattern. It's definitely a keeper. And you're going to take one end and make a loop and put a rubber band around it. Okay, and then you're going to take the wide part and stick it through that rubber band so that it is, you have the two bows and then the wide part sticking down. Okay, and then you're going to take the skinny part and just wrap it around to cover up the rubber band. And then you want to tuck that in to the knot and so that it sticks out as well. And that is how you make the bow. Again, depending on where you put that first loop with the rubber band will determine how far up it is on your neck. Now, I kind of like mine a little bit off to the side, but you could have it straight down, or you could make it like more of a choker, whatever. But let me just put this up a little closer here, fix my tail here, and so you can see that. So that is making a bow. This next one is making a necklace. It is all over social media, so you have probably seen it. And I am using this really cute tie that, if you look, can I get you in here so you can see that it has little Mickey Mouses all over it in this beautiful gold. And this is just an old necklace that my sister gave me. So what you need is a necktie of your choosing, you need a rubber band, and you need a necklace. So first you're going to measure like you did before for the classic necktie, and then lay it down on a flat surface. And then all you're going to do is, starting with the wide part of the tie, you're going to fold it kind of like an accordion fold, and do that so that you have 3 folds. Then you're going to take a rubber band and secure it together. Next, you just want to take the thin part and wrap it around the rubber band and then tuck it in to the back. But you could also secure it with the safety pin because the back will be against your body, so it won't be visible. And then all you got to do is take the necklace and put it through the loop at the top. You could just wear it more like an ascot and just have it maybe with a shirt, a button-up shirt, and just have it like up at your neck, or you can actually wear it like a tie, but just a more miniature version. It would also be really pretty if you have the right brooch to put there on that knot at the front of this. Fabulous. So that is making your necktie into a necklace. And as a necklace, even if you had a crew neck sweater or a t-shirt, it would still be a good look. This next one was very challenging to me. I was attempting to make a rose at the top, and I have more of a twisted knot, but I think with practice and patience, I can get there. But anyway, this tie is a Joseph A. Banks tie, and I love this color, so this one, it is a keeper. Might find something to do with this on Valentine's Day. I would also suggest when you're practicing for the first time that you find a tie you really don't care about if you're going to be twisting it and tying it all up, so you don't overly distress your really nice necktie. So now you're going to hang this tie around your neck, and you're going to tie a loop in the skinny side. Okay, and then you're going to take the wide side and put it through the loop and then pull it up to your neck as high as you want it to go. Now, you're going to take that skinny side and you're just going to twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it until it's all twisted all the way to the end. And now you're going to start wrapping that twisted part around the top of the tie. And if you can see here, I am twisting it around the back and back over the front, around the back and over the front. And I just keep doing it over and over and over and over again. And when I get to the end, I take the very tip and then tuck it in somewhere where it's not going to be visible into my twisted knot. So anyway, Some other tying suggestions might be if you have a pattern that you like, you might want to wear it as a headband. You might want to wear it as a belt, like a sash. So anyway, that is the video. I should point out that this video was viewer requested, and if you have suggestions for topics that you'd like to see covered on this channel, please comment below. So let me know which of these necktie ties that you like the best, and thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again, I hope your day is blessed and stylish.